Hey guys, in this video we're gonna learn the basics of slope-intercept form. So here we go. So the way to write slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. In this video we're just gonna focus on the slope part. So in our equation the mx represents the slope. So I'm gonna teach you how to write the slope and how to identify it from a graph. So your slope is basically your rise over your run, or it's the change in your y over the change in your x. This will make more sense once we start identifying it from the graph. So the first thing you do is find 2 points. They could be any 2 points. So here's a point right here, and then another point is right here. So now what you do is do your rise first, which is the change in your y. So that means you either go up or down. And in this case, we have to go down since the line is negative. You know it's negative because the line is going down like that. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we went down 8 spaces, and since we went down 8 spaces, it's actually -8 since we're going down, so it's -8. That's our change in our y. And now we do our run, which is on the x-axis, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our slope is -8 over 5. So it's the change in our y over the change in our x, or rise over run, so we get -8 over 5. So for number 2, mark any 2 points. It could be any points. So here's one, and then here's another one. So first, remember it's our rise, so that means we're going either up or down. We're going up in this case since it's a positive line because it's going this way. So we go up 1, so our rise is 1 over 1, 2. So our slope is a half. For number 3, mark any 2 points. So one's right here, and then another point is right here at the really bottom. So first, our rise, and this line is gonna be a positive line, so that means that our rise will be positive and our run will be positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is our rise. And then our run is 1, 2, 3. So our slope is 8 over 3. Number 4 is a little bit different. Now, there isn't a slope for this line, so depending on what the question is asking you, if it's asking you for the slope, your slope would be 0. It would just be 0. Or if it was asking for the equation for the line, it would be y equals -1, since it's at -1 on the y-intercept. But if it's asking you for the slope, a horizontal line will always be 0. Number 5 is a little bit different too. Since it's a vertical line, it's an undefined slope. So that means there's absolutely no slope, not even a 0 slope. So it's undefined because, say if someone were to try to stand on this, the person would just fall off. So that's why it's an undefined slope. Grab some paper, pause the video, and try solving these next practice problems on your own. So for number 6, I already plotted the 2 points that I wanted to use. So first in my rise, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then my run is 1, 2, 3. So our slope is 4/3. Number 7 is just a vertical line, so it's an undefined slope. Now try solving these two problems on your own. For number 8, your slope is just 0 since it's a horizontal line. For number 9, remember to pick any 2 points. So one point is here, and then another point is here. So first our rise, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then our run is 1, 2, 3. So our slope is 5 over -3. And the reason why it's a -3 is because you're going to the left for this one. And you could also see that it's a negative line. I hope you got all those questions correct. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And check out the description box below for some more videos of mine. And this was just part 1 of the slope-intercept form. So make sure to check out my video next week for part 2. And make sure to subscribe to me if you're not already. I make videos every Saturday or Sunday. This week was Saturday. And check out my Twitter, and please subscribe if you're not already for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.